Welcome to an international version of Castin Cajun. I'm your host, Bo Grafton. Today we're fishing out of Panama, the country of Panama, Paradise Fishing Lodge. Fishing with me today are Ken Miller and Ted Miller. So sit back and enjoy an exciting half hour of Castin Cajun.
Let's step up to the high class. Whoa! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10, 4. Another one was on there, it came off.
Ooh, see that one jump?
We were easing along the shoreline and we saw bonita jumping, so we're having trouble getting a lot of good bait like bonita. So we're trying to cast a little diamond jig so that we can catch. Hooked up, hooked up. So we're having trouble catching bonita. We finally got one. Belting up for a bonita. We normally wouldn't do that. Still on. Ready? All right. Well, it's a beautiful morning out here. We left about 6:30, stopped and got bait, and now we're fishing for cubera snapper and roosterfish. I got a little fish on him.
We're waiting patiently for the first fish.
As you'll see, these are quite large baits. It's called a Yozuri GT surface bull. So bigger the fish, bigger the bait. Bigger, better.
Oh, gee, oh, holy smoke.
Hang on, Ted.
Okay.
Back up, Ted.
Wow. Baby.
Got your rooster, Ted. What we were doing was bottom fishing with some chunks of bonita. The strange thing they do, they don't put any weight on it. There's a little mound that comes up from about 190 feet to 60 feet, and just threw out the chunk. A little unfamiliar with the lack of a weight, but it works. Tomorrow is Ted's 80th birthday. inspiration. That's a roosterfish. Ooh. He's high, he's high, he's high, he's high. There he is. All right, Ted.
Way to go.
Nice one, Ted. That's a nice roosterfish, probably about a 17 pounder. Ted, 80 years old tomorrow. Nice one. All right.
Okay, ready? Here we go, baby, in Panama.
Am I over you or under you? I'm hooked up too.
Bo's hooked up? You hooked up, Bo?
I'm hooked up too. That's good. Move. Right here.
Little belt action, please. I'll get the belt for you. Now it's fun fishing with Bo here because he's an LSU fan, but I'm a Rebel, so I have to say hotty toddy.
Hooked up. Double hookup. We need to stay on this little reef. You got enough line? See.
Oh my God.
It's okay. Blue runner?
Blue jack. Blue jack.
Blue jack? All right.
Blue jet?
It's a blue trevally.
Beautiful color.
Blue trevally. Pretty fish. Blue trevally. It's like a jackfish with blue colors.
Yeah, Trevali's in the jack family.
Iridescent.
You know what it is yet?
They said it's a rooster. Beautiful.
All right, and a double hook up there. Ken's hooked up on a runner. Got plenty of line, so we're okay there.
You got a 50-pounder there.
They said it was a rooster.
Rooster? Sweet. Real. Some line back.
Way to go, kid. I think I'm okay. Well, maybe. See a rock snapper. Hold on. Hold that. Hooked up. Ah.
Good, Bo. Yeah.
Underneath?
Yeah.
There you go, bud.
Snapper? Rock snapper.
Ooh.
Bueno. Everything's got teeth or stings down here. Check that out. Snapper, see.
It's a small one.
It's okay. Fish for TV.
Right into the face.
All
Look
right.
at that. Dude, you take directions well.
Fish on.
Get him.
Fish on. Oh, yeah,
Get him, Ken.
it's gonna be one of those snappers. Anything for the cameraman, DC.
See.
Might need the belt.
Belt.
I don't need the belt. He's done. Yeah.
Another snapper? Get him in,
Pull.
Ken.